Hello everybody. Paano po ba gumawa ng account sa PCO online application system para makapag-apply ng Pollution Control Officer accreditation? First of all, kailangan nating pumunta sa PCO online application system through pco.emb.gov.ph. At ito na po yung PCO online application system. Para gumawa ng account, click lang po itong sign up and then mag-fill up dito ng personal email, for example, and then yung ating password. Retype the password and then tick I agree to the terms and condition and then click register. So nakapag-fill up ka na ng form. Ang sunod doon, kailangan mong puntahan ang inyong email at mayroon pong ipinadala ang system, ang online application system na ito to verify your account gaya ng email na nire-register natin at saka yung password. And we need to click certain item doon to activate our account. So after nating maklik, ma-activate yung account, pwede na tayong mag-login doon sa PCO online application system gamit ang email and password duly activated. So, ganyan lamang po kung paano mag-account registration at kung paano ito i-activate. If you want to know more about permitting, registration, and reporting, please subscribe to this channel. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much and God bless us all.